So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install NMproject on simple laptop and desktop installations. The first thing to do is to go to the GitHub page that's linked in the video description. And once you're there, scroll down past the source code. You'll see the README, and if you keep going, you'll get to the installation and configuration instructions. The first step is pretty easy. To install it, you just copy what you see here into the R console. If we open up RStudio and paste it in there, this will install it. There's various dependent packages that need to be installed alongside NMproject. Depending on how many you've got, this process might take 5 to 10 minutes. But since I've already got most of them there, this will be very quick for me. So there you go, it's already installed. And now you can load the package by just typing library NMproject. So the next thing to do is to go back to the GitHub page and follow the configuration instructions. And one of the first things it will tell you to do is to set up your .r profile configuration file properly. And the easiest way to do that is to open it in R, and we can do this by doing file.edit of our .r profile in our home directory. So if we copy that and then switch back to RStudio, and then in the console we paste that in there. What we need to add to here is a line, so going back to the GitHub, telling NMproject where the nmtran.exe is. And so if we copy this line and paste it into here, then this will be set up. You might have to, if you've got NomM installed in a different path, then you might have to change the path to this. But I already have NomM installed on this path, so I don't need to change that. So let's save that. And the next thing to do will be to download the PMX code library, the public version of it, and set up your config file to be able to see it. There's a convenience function that I made to do all of this. It's called get PMX code library. What you do is you specify a location on your computer to install it. And I'm going to put this also in my home directory, and I'm going to call it public PMX code lib. I also need a config file name, and I just need to specify here that it needs to edit the config file that I'm already editing here. And then if I push enter, it's cloned the repository and it's added in another option here for the code library. And now we should be done. If we save this and then restart R, we're ready to go. If you have NomM installed on a remote server or something like that, then you would need to add in additional options here, and you can find details about that in the README. But otherwise, that's it.